Excel functions are extremely important to learn to use Excel wisely. These can be simple functions that are mathematical, like sum or average. They can be functions for analyzing data, such as max or min, which would find your maximum value or minimum value. Or they can be functions that can look up cells and match things for you, such as the index function or the match function. We're going to take a look into these now.
One of the most common Excel functions is the sum function. So if we wanted to add these together, get a total of these, we can just type in equals sum and choose that range, and we should get 30. So sum is very common. A shortcut to do that is just to hold Alt down and press equals. So Alt equals will auto sum them for us.
There are over 100 functions to learn in Excel, and you really don't need to learn all of them. But it is very important to get a basic understanding of most of them and get a really strong understanding of the ones you're going to be using most often. You can use the formula bar to help you find the right function to use. If you type in equals and then start typing what you think the function might be called, a number of options will pop up and can lead you in the right direction.
So if you're looking to find the right function to use, you can kind of just start typing what you think it might be called. So if I want to get the average of something, I might type in there it is, average. Then I can just either finish typing it or press tab. And that would give me the average of a set of numbers. Or you could type in something, let's say I need to find the minimum value. I might type in min. And this little explainer here will tell you that it will return the smallest number in a set of values. And this can be useful even if you come across certain problems, like you want to know how many days are between two dates, for example. You might have the inkling to start typing in days, and bam, returns the number of days between two dates. So that's how you can use the formula bar to help you find the right function.